Problems that can arise from installing your own front entry door. Considering a DIY front entry door installation? Let's discuss common issues that can arise to help you decide if it's the right choice for your Portland, Indiana home. One of the most common mistakes in DIY door installations is taking incorrect measurements. This can lead to ill-fitting entry doors, causing drafts, security issues, and increased energy bills. Ensuring accurate measurements is crucial for proper door installation. While installing your front entry door, you might accidentally damage the door frame, compromising the structural integrity of your home. To protect your home, it's important to carefully choose and install the right fiberglass entry doors and patio doors. Did you know that DIY door installation can void your warranty? To maintain your warranty and receive expert service for your residential entry doors, it's essential to work with a reliable and experienced provider of entry door replacement services. Don't risk the security and energy efficiency of your home with DIY installations. If you're experiencing any of these issues, Clemens Home Solutions, the Jay County area. Call today at 765-358-7535 to discuss your front door and sliding glass door needs.